does next-generation capability and performance look like? Like the all-new Toyota Tundra. Designed and assembled in the US, like it has been since its 1999 debut, Tundra is making a full-size splash with this all-new third generation. It takes everything Toyota's learned over its 70-plus years of truck heritage and wraps it up into one incredible package. This new 6th-grade lineup has just set the bar and set it high. With looks like this, it's no surprise what the first question usually is. What's under the hood? Well, when it comes to its two new powertrains, this new Tundra delivers. Compared to the previous generation, power output and efficiency have both gone up, way up. This is thanks to its advanced twin-turbo design, which allows it to provide tons of low-end torque when it's needed, or simply act like an efficient V6 when it's not. But if that's somehow not enough, say hello to the iForce Max. This hybrid engine is an absolute game-changer. With its new single-motor design, iForce Max provides a performance-minded approach to hybrid tech that delivers even more power and even more efficiency. So what kind of transmission can put this type of power to the ground? An all-new 10-speed automatic that's designed to handle whatever the day brings, whether that's off-roading, towing, or running errands. With its 10 gear ratios, this transmission makes it easy to find the sweet spot between performance and efficiency. Gear hunting is a thing of the past. All told, these new powertrains help Tundra achieve an incredible maximum tow rating of 12,000 pounds. Tundra's amazing performance is also seen in its tough frame, which uses a fully boxed design and laser-welded thicknesses to offer maximum capability and rigidity without excessive weight. And in its upper body, which is loaded with lightweight, rust-resistant materials to ensure this pickup is ready for the long haul. Case in point, the truck bed itself, which boasts an incredibly durable aluminum-reinforced composite construction. And we can't forget about the suspension. This is one of the clearest examples of Tundra's rebirth as a next-generation truck. The rear suspension is now a multi-link layout with coil springs. This setup provides incredible road manners and towing stability, and also helps allow for the use of the more advanced suspension systems available. These include an adaptive variable system that continuously adjusts damping to optimize ride comfort and stability on a variety of road surfaces, as well as an air suspension feature that offers different height settings that can be adjusted manually, lowering it to help with loading and getting in, or raising it for serious off-road use. Or it can be left to work automatically, continually reacting to towing and hauling needs to maximize confidence during heavy-duty situations. Which brings us to Tundra's next great party trick, its ability to make towing feel like a walk in the park. And we're not just referring to the powertrain or its tow-haul drive mode. The available trailer garage system can actually measure and save your trailer specs to open up some mind-blowing available features. Need an example? Here's a good one. It'll help provide steering input as you're backing up with your trailer. Anyone who's ever had to do this before knows how challenging it can be to keep things pointed where you want them. Features like this make it clear this is one seriously premium towing machine. Now, Tundra may be full-size, but it also knows how to play in the sand just fine. And that's not limited to TRD Pro, a proper off-road monster with its lifted ride height and special Fox shocks. In fact, the entire Tundra line is designed to deliver when the going gets rough, with all grades being offered with available part-time four-wheel drive. But of course, there's also a range of great advanced off-road features specific to TRD Pro and models equipped with the TRD Off-Road package. For instance, Multi-Terrain Monitor takes an adventurous approach to Tundra's panoramic view monitor system, providing additional angles to help see underneath, as well as important data like vehicle angle. Several top Toyota features are now offered on Tundra for the first time, including Multi-Terrain Select, which allows drivers to fine-tune the traction systems based on a range of terrain settings like sand and snow, as well as Crawl Control, which can automatically modulate the throttle and brakes on 5 low-speed settings, allowing drivers to focus on steering. Tundra also offers an available electronically locking rear differential, which can distribute power evenly to both rear wheels to help ensure drivers don't get stuck in the mud. All told, it's clear Tundra's capability doesn't end when the road does. With performance like Tundra's, you'd expect to see some pretty serious design to match. And that's exactly what we have. But that's not to say it's all about looking tough. In fact, each of Tundra's grades sport a distinct look, including eye-catching technical camo accents on TRD Pro. Naturally, this exterior is packed with great standard features throughout the lineup, like full LED lighting, as well as great available features like power running boards and bed step. And this premium mentality carries over into the interior as well. This comfortable cabin is easy to get in and out of, and it offers tons of space for driver and passengers. But it's also tough and durable enough to handle day after day of hard work. Still, there's plenty of useful high-end touches, like the full power back window on Crewmax, or the power sliding rear window on double cabs. It should come as no surprise at this point, but Tundra comes out swinging when it comes to in-cabin tech and driver assistance features. The centerpiece here is arguably the massive available touchscreen sitting front and center. At 14 inches, this display feels like having a television in your truck. And it's used not just for Tundra's panoramic view monitor or its new bed camera view, but also Toyota's beautiful new audio multimedia system. This new platform features a ton of great new tech, like support for multiple user profiles, and wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. The same applies to Android Auto, with wireless connectivity making it simple to stay connected to Android devices. And like before, Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. While a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum plan trial subscription includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And this can all be paired with a premium JBL audio system to make the most of these great services. Moving beyond multimedia, select Tundra grades also offer a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument panel that makes key driving information look better than ever. Tundra's tech story isn't just about screens and entertainment, of course. There's tons of available comfort and convenience too, like standard automatic climate control, and power seats with heating, ventilation, and memory functionality. And when it comes to standard safety, Tundra now features Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, an incredibly advanced suite of active safety systems that include pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Tundra also offers available blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic braking to help keep an eye on those tough-to-see spots. And as icing on the cake, both Toyota Safety Sense and blind spot monitor systems can recognize when a trailer is attached and adjust their operation accordingly. So that's a brief look around the all-new third-generation Tundra. It offers up a massive increase in power, while still providing better fuel economy estimates. It's just as capable towing a boat as it is climbing a mountainside. And it's got killer looks that say this all without saying a word. And inside, it's loaded with comfort and convenience, advanced tech and safety. And it does this while staying true to Toyota's legendary long-term value proposition and unbeatable reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. Now, top it off with ownership perks like the Toyota Care maintenance plan with roadside assistance. And it becomes clear why Tundra is set to be the do-anything companion for a whole new generation.